So how can you allow the iPad to connect to the USB? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed and part of this community so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the iPad can be connected through USB port like the most or the newer iPads are equipped with the USB-C port, and in there you can connect basically anything that you want. Like it might be an SSD external storage, it might be SD card with a proper adapter, or even a USB stick, as long as you can figure out the connection to the USB-C. But once you do this, you don't really need to allow anything, as it should appear to be part of your locations within the Files app. Right, so you go to the Files and make sure that the left panel just gets shown up like this, and there check out the locations, which shows you like the iCloud storage, local, even something third-party like Google Drive. But once you have the USB connected, it should also appear to be part of those locations. It just means that you can find it right there, and there isn't really much else that you need to allow, right? So you can browse the files, you can copy or import some of them to your local storage or use them for your projects however you like. It is possible though that it might not get recognized, but as I said, there isn't like any button for it. You might just restart the connection, like disconnect, reconnect, and see if that makes any difference at all. So I hope it all works out well for you. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.